Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Lambert. I currently live in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. I currently work at Big Brothers Big Sisters of the Capital Region, so I don't get much face-to-face time with our youth clients. However, many of our students in the programs that we have been diagnosed with a mental health condition. We use this knowledge and other information provided by the parents to compatibly match the child with a mentor who will be able to provide them with a support system that they might not otherwise have, as well as someone who can take them out of the house and do fun or educational activities with them, sometimes relieving them of toxic home situations. In terms of mental health diagnosis, I believe there's always room for error, no matter how great you are at diagnosing, which can sometimes seem very stressful to me because what if I get a diagnosis wrong and it costs someone their life? It's my biggest fear. Observation, studying, and research, I believe, are the best ways to combat those fears. Being as knowledgeable as you can be and not going through this profession alone. Seeking out the help and advice of colleagues and other professionals should never be looked down upon either. However, I believe mental health diagnosing is very important in our society today. The stigma of mental health is falling, which means more people are seeking help. I believe a dramatic rise of mental health professionals is very imminent if it has not already happened. I currently do not participate, nor have I in the past participated in DSM-5 diagnosing. Super excited about this course and learning about different diagnosis, how to diagnose, what it means, and all of that good stuff. Excited to get to know you all. Thanks.